Current and future in service, Bangladesh Air Force, fighter jets, helicopters, and trainer jets. Mikoyan, MiG-29, role, multi-role fighter, in service, 8. Chengdu, F-7, role, fighter aircraft, in service, 36. Sukhoi, Su-30, role, multi-role fighter, on order, 8. Mil, Mi-17, role, utility and transport, in service, 30, on order, 5. Augusta Westland, AW-139, role, search and rescue, in service, 4. Bell, 212, role, utility, in service, 14. Yakovlev, Yak-130, role, advanced trainer jet and light attack, in service, 13. Hongdu, JL-8, role, trainer jet and light attack, in service, 15, on order, 15. Aero L-39, Albatros, role, trainer jet, in service, 7. Chengdu, J-10C, role, multi-role aircraft, in future, 48 could acquire, Bangladesh Air Force replace, F-7. JF-17 Thunder Block 3, role, multi-role aircraft, in future, 48 could acquire, Bangladesh Air Force replace, F-7. Eurofighter Typhoon, role, multi-role aircraft, in future, 16 could acquire, Bangladesh Air Force. Sukhoi, Su-35, role, multi-role aircraft, in future, 16 could acquire, Bangladesh Air Force. Boeing, AH-64, Apache, role, attack helicopter, in future, 6 could acquire, Bangladesh Air Force. Thanks for watching, subscribe my channel, share this video, like this video and comment.